Once we have their first name and email address, okay, na-capture na natin, nakuha na natin yung information nila. Dito naman papasok yung automation. Okay? Ito na yung mga email marketing na naririnig natin. Now, pag sinabi natin marketing, for some people, it's a big corporate word. But what I'd like you to do is, or rather, change your mindset na pag sinabi kong email marketing, it's more of a personal message. Like a friend sending you a friendly message. So think about it this way. So hindi siya yung very corporate message na parang wala namang gusto actually magbasa dahil bebentahan ka lang. Okay? So just wanna be clear. I'm gonna give you more tips later on. But basically, that is the idea na pag merong nag-subscribe sa'yo, automatically, may nasisend na email doon sa bago mong subscriber. Again, depende sa schedule. We can talk about that later. But basically, you are marketing to them. You're building relationship to them. O yung tinatawag kong kilite principle or KLT. Okay? Kilite. Diba? Bago mo mabentahan ng isa, kinakailangan makuha mo muna yung kiliti nila. Tama? KLT meaning know, like, and trust. People will do business with someone that they know, they like, and they trust.